students of class 7, welcome to Math STEV. Today I am going to solve problem 2 A, B and C in the exercise 2.1. Question 2. Two marginal quantities of a continual proportion are given below formula proportion. Okay. In A, two quantities are given 6 and 24. These are two marginal quantities of a continued proportion. Okay, we have to call a proportion. We know a continued proportion has three quantities. Okay, first and third quantities are called marginal quantities and second quantity is called mid quantity. Okay, now solution of A, first quantity equals to 6. Third quantity equals to 24. Okay. Now we know mid quantity square equals to first quantity multiply third quantity equals to first quantity is 6 multiply third quantity is 24 equals to, if 6 is multiplied by 24 then product is 144. Okay, therefore mid quantity equals to mid quantity square equals to 144. So mid quantity equals to square root of 144 equals to 12. So required continued proportion is first quantity 6 ratio second quantity means mid quantity 12 proportion symbol second quantity means mid quantity 12 ratio third quantity 24 and this is the answer. Okay, now B, given quantities are 25 and 81. Okay, solution of B, first quantity equals to 25, third quantity equals to 81. Okay, now we have to find out second quantity, that means mid quantity square equals to mid quantity square equals to first quantity multiply third quantity equals to first quantity is 25 multiply third quantity is 81. Okay, therefore mid quantity equals to square root of 25 multiply 81. Okay, 25 and 81 are perfect square numbers. Okay, so we can write square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5 multiply again square root of 81 is 9 equals to 45. Okay, so the required continued proportion is first quantity 25 ratio second quantity means mid quantity 45 proportion symbol second quantity means mid quantity 45 ratio third quantity 81. So it is the answer. Okay. Question C. given quantities are 16 and 49. Okay. See, first quantity equals to 16. Third quantity equals to 49. Okay. Now, similarly, meat quantity square equals to first quantity multiply third quantity equals to first quantity 16 multiply third quantity 49. Okay, meat quantity square equals to this. So, what is the meat quantity? Meat quantity equals to a square root of this. That means 16 multiply 49. Okay, 16 and 49 both are perfect square numbers. So we can write a square root of 16 means 4 multiply a square root of 49 means 7 and product is 28. Therefore, required continued proportion is what? First quantity 16. Ratio second quantity means meat quantity 28. Proportion symbol again second quantity 28. Ratio third quantity 49. And this is the answer. I am going to solve question 2 D and D in the exercise 2.1. Okay. Question 2. Two marginal quantities of the continued proportion are given below. Form the proportion. Okay. D 5 divided by 7 and 1 whole 2 by 5. These are two marginal quantities of a continued proportion. Okay. We know in a continued proportion three quantities are there. First and third quantities are marginal quantity and meat quantity is second quantity. Okay. And second quantity is meat quantity. Okay. Now solution of the first quantity equals to 5 divided by 7. Third quantity equals to 1 whole 2 by 5. And converting into proper fraction we get 7 by 5. Okay. Now meat quantity square. We know meat quantity square equals to first quantity multiply third quantity equals to 5 divided by 7 multiply 7 divided by 5. Okay, and this cut and this cut. Okay, and equals to product will be only 1. This is the meat quantity square. Therefore, meat quantity square equals to 1. So meat quantity equals to square root of 1 equals to also 1. Okay, so the required continued proportion is first quantity. What is the first quantity? 5 divided by 7. Ratio second quantity. What is the second quantity? It is meat quantity 1. Proportion symbol again second quantity 1. Ratio what is the third quantity? 7 divided by 5. Okay, this is the answer. Now E. First quantity is 1.5 and third quantity is 30.5. Okay, Solution E, first quantity equals to 1.5. Third quantity equals to 13.5. Now, meat quantity square. Meat quantity square equals to first quantity multiply third quantity equals to first quantity is 1.5 multiply third quantity is 13.5 equals to product of these two numbers 20.25. Okay, therefore meat quantity equals to square root of 20.25 equals to square root of 20.25 is 4.5. Okay, in chapter 1 we have learned how to find out a square root. Okay, and by finding a square root of this we get 4.5. Okay, so the required continued proportion is 1.5 ratio 4.5. Meat quantity means second quantity 4.5. Proportion symbol again second quantity, that means meat quantity 4.5. Ratio third quantity 13.5, and this is the answer.